Good afternoon, everybody. This is Cash, and I work for Rick Case Hyundai. This is a brand new 2025
Charging started.
Kona Limited, and charging has just started on the car. This is an electric vehicle. It has a little bit differences from the gas Kona. Wheel will tell you that. Interior on this one is the green interior. Slight hint of green in there. Not sure if the camera's picking it up, but that's kind of what the interior looks like here for you. Nice textures on the vehicle and their little pad. Now this one is sold at the moment. I got a client coming from Alabama to pick it up and everything. What's the seat looks like? So exterior looks like, again, the Kona Electrics, they just have a little electric badging on the back, let you know it's not gas. That's what the back looks like there for you. And unlike our other vehicles, the charging port on this one is actually on the front of the vehicle. This is the driver's side, just to give you an idea what that looks like. Dual displays there, center layout, and then your seat pattern. And again, charging port on the front of this one. But as always, if you guys have any questions, give me a ring, 603-858-4511. Thanks so much, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.